Welcome to today's session, children. Today, in the lesson motion, we are going to study two terms. One is velocity and other is acceleration. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement of a body. Velocity is written as distance traveled in a given direction by time taken, that is, displacement by time taken. Speed was distance by time, velocity is displacement by time. If a body travels a distance s in time t in a given direction, is to be specified in a given direction, then its velocity v is given by the vector quantity v is written with direction and s is written with direction. V velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. Velocity is a vector quantity. Direction of velocity is same as the direction of displacement of body. Velocity can either be positive, 0 or negative. Velocity can be changed in two ways. By changing the speed of the body, by keeping the speed constant but changing the direction. It is to be noted there is direction involved with the velocity. Velocity is measured in centimeter per second, meter per second, or kilometer per hour. What is uniform velocity? The body is said to be moving with uniform velocity if it travels in a specific direction, covering equal distance in equal intervals of time. What is average velocity? When a body moves with variable velocity, that is, there is change in velocity, the average velocity of the body is the ratio of total displacement covered by total time taken. That is, if the body is moving with different velocities, average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. And initial velocity is given by the letter u and final velocity is given by the letter v. Initial velocity is written as u and final velocity is written as v. Let us differentiate between speed and velocity. Speed is the rate of change of distance of the body, whereas velocity is the rate of change of displacement of a body. Speed tells you nothing about the direction of motion of the object. Velocity tells you the direction of motion of the object. Speed is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. Speed of the body can be positive or zero. Velocity of the body can be positive, zero or negative. Average speed of a moving body can never be zero. Average velocity of a moving body can be zero. Now what is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is change in velocity by time taken, or acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Suppose the body is moving with an initial velocity u and final velocity v in time t. Then acceleration is v minus u by t. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Direction of acceleration is same as the direction of velocity of the body. Acceleration can either be positive, zero or negative. Acceleration of body is zero when it is moving in uniform velocity. The motion of a freely falling body is uniformly accelerated motion. This is a uniformly accelerated motion. Motion of a sliding block on a smooth inclined plane is uniformly accelerated motion. Now let us see what is non-uniform acceleration. A body is said to be moving with non-uniform acceleration if its velocity increases by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time. Or a body has a non-uniform acceleration if its velocity changes at a non-uniform rate. For example, a motion of a car in a crowded city or town. Its speed or velocity changes continuously. It moves with variable velocity. It has to compensate with the crowd and then it moves at a differential speed. This is called as non-uniform acceleration. What is retardation, deceleration, or negative acceleration? A body is said to be retarded if its velocity decreases with respect to time. Like for example, a car has to come to halt. Then its acceleration is reduced and the car is stopped. The car is decelerated to come to halt. This is called as negative acceleration or retardation. So this is the end of today's session. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you.